Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your buddy Paladin Hawthorne. I'm here with another unboxing. This is a Quest Nutrition tortilla chip. This ship from Lexington, Kentucky to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. I'm not sponsored by Quest, but I would love to be. Quest, let me know. This is a 12-pack of tortilla-style protein chips, loaded taco flavor. 19 grams of protein and 4 net carbs. So each bag has 140 calories, has 5 grams of total fat, 0.5 saturated fat, no trans fat, 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 340 milligrams of sodium, 5 grams of carbs minus 1 dietary fiber. That equals 4 net carbs. And then less than a gram of total sugar, 19 grams of protein. I'm not going to do a taste test in this video. I'm actually doing a little intermittent fasting, but this looks delicious. It looks like a Taco Bell taco, and who doesn't love a Taco Bell taco? But yeah, I got a whole case. Unfortunately, I can't eat it today, but hopefully if you subscribe to my channel and you check out my other videos, you'll see my taste test and review of this specific chip. Quest has a lot of great products. I'm not sponsored by them. Once again, I've taste tested a lot of their protein bars and cookies and shakes, but I haven't done their tortilla chips. What do you guys think? If you want to help support my channel and you like this cool t-shirt, you go to riptapparel.com, find this shirt or another shirt of your choice, or go to onceuponatea.net. Same thing, and use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. You'll save a couple bucks off your order. I get a couple bucks in credit. Win-win for everybody. You get a cool t-shirt like this Gambit one. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, please share, and check out my other thousands and thousands of unboxings and taste tests. Have a great one.